Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a girl tag animation, but also I'm not that good though, so yeah. First you want to go to the link in the description. It will show you this. Nachos engine IK rig. Okay, you want to press this girl tag IK rig and then download this right here. I'll download it for you so you know it's safe. There we go, it's downloading. Download so many times. You want that to download, and you want to open out Blender. Okay, we want to press open, downloads or whatever, and then you want to girl tag IK blend open. Okay, now you have this. You see this? You press this right here, up here. There we go. Now this is here. Actually, I'm just gonna open another new one so you guys can follow along. Okay. Then once you press this right here, this will pop up. You wanna press the name and then press tab, and then you can backspace and make a name. Make sure you put in all caps because it'll look nicer. Well, you don't have to, but yeah. If you want, we can go right here and unsee this. So that's gone right now. Just unsee it for now. Then you can press tab again. Then that's gone. Press on the rig. Press material. Press primary color. You can change your girl's color. I'm gonna have mine like a light blue, kind of like that. Yeah. So now we have this. Now you might be asking, how do you animate it? First of all, you want to see this now, and then you want to press this right here. You want to press timeline. Once you press timeline, press it right here or whatever. Scroll in. Not too much. Just like, yeah. About like this much. So now you want to press this. You want to click on this. Like that until it gets like that. Press object mode. Then pose mode. Okay, then you want to like do this. You can pose this around. Don't make sure not to click off yet. There's still a couple more steps. Hold up, let me toolbar. Okay. Then you can do this. Right here. And then right here. Just do whatever you want it to start off like. Okay. Control Z to go back. So yeah. Let me put this up a little bit. There we go. Let me push this back a little bit. Okay. Twist this. Also, shout out to Squishy on a VR. He taught me how to do this. So yeah. Okay, you want to put this up like that or do whatever. Okay, now that you have done that, here I'll show you how to do a walk cycle. Press this button right here. Okay, press on that, and you can do it like this, like that, and then put it down, kind of like that. Wait, there. Okay, so now let's undo that. Okay. Actually, okay. Oh no, wait. Okay, press on the 5, and then you want to press that, put that forward, and then on the 10, you want to press. Oh wait, I forgot I'm not recording. You want to. Okay, let me undo all this. Sorry, guys. Put that back a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna press 5, record, press right here, go up, right here, and right here. Wait, yeah, and then you wanna press like this, right here, and then you wanna go to 10, up here, and then up here, and then up here, and then you wanna go to 15. Right here and right here. Okay, let's stop recording so you can see our masterpiece. Hold up. That's. Well, you can see that moved. Oh, I think I know what happened. Okay, I'm gonna press record. I'm gonna do like that, and then like that. Okay, then 10, you want to do that. And then 15, you want to move this. And for 20, you want to do this. And then for 25, you want to do this. Okay, let's stop recording. Let's see it. Yeah, so you need to like put it a little more. I'm not gonna do like that in depth of a tutorial. I'm just gonna show you how to do it and stuff. Also, I'm not gonna show you how to do a map. If you want me to show you, just comment down below and I'll show you. But I'm probably not gonna do that. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you press the record button all the times when you want to do it. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. That's basically, if you want a more better in-depth tutorial how to do this, just tell me and I will show you. Also, if you press tab, it will go back to normal. So, except the name will kind of be funky, but yeah. These fingers move too. So yeah, Control Z to go back. So that's how. If you want a more better tutorial, here if you. Oh wait. What is it? File. Go to desktop. Okay. Okay, hold up. Let me show you. If you, whatever. So you once you get a map though, I'll show you how to import it. So you can bring this from here to over here, and then put it right here in your desktop. You want to press this, append. Okay. So then you want to go to desktop, or wait, no, I mean wrong thing. So wait, you want to go back here, take this into Blender, and then you want to just let it go right there, and you want to press open, what the Sigma? What's happening? Hold up. Okay, there we go. So now you just want to drag this into here. Append. Go right here. Wait. No. Okay, there. Now it's in the desktop, right? You want to open that. And then you want to open collection. Search up forest. So right here, forest. Okay, it might be laggy. It's probably gonna be laggy if you don't have a high-end computer. So yeah, it's very laggy. So here it is, but since there's so many stuff, here's how you get rid of it. So you go over here, you can take all this stuff off, like if you don't want, like this. And yeah, you can copy what I do, or you don't have to. Do you really need lampposts? No. Light post, all the tree has snow. Actually, I'm gonna do a snowy thing. So plain. Oh. Christmas 2022. Snowman. So just deselect all of this stuff. If you don't want it, just delete it. What's also, so yeah, if you don't want forest, just go back over here, right, and then search, you want to go to, where is it? I forgot. I think it's in downloads, right? Okay, whatever, you just want to search up whatever map you want, and it should come. Why is there so many cameras? Yeah, I think I got what I want. So now we can drag, go to object mode, press on this little dude, and then drag him over to the forest, our map. I'm not gonna show you how to get the map, I'm just showing you this, so yeah. I will, if you guys want me to show you, I will, but what's the Sigma is happening? So yeah. So now alright, let's do the animation. Yeah. So basically that's kinda how you do animations. You can put them wherever, so if the file, append, and then this should show up. I can do city, That's it, right here. So then I just press append. Okay, now my lag is here. Okay, lag. Oh my god. FPS. Oh my FPS. Dude, oh my god, bro. My FPS is insanely low. Oh my god. Can I get rid of this? Please tell me I can. Oh my god, what's happening? What is happening, bro? I regret doing that. Anyway, just go to append. Do any, you can do swamp, forest. You can do temple. If you guys remember that. I don't know what it's called. You can do caves. You can do every map basically. Or you can clouds. Oh no, those are different, I think. Okay, I think this is about to crash. I'm gonna shut this down. I guess we'll save it. Sure. Alright, there. That's how you do that. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is something I made in a video. Yeah, look, I messed up kind of. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this helped, please consider subscribing, and goodbye.